People think hair transplants are only for men. Well, here's clearly a female. And people think, oh, maybe just for female pattern hair loss or female hairline lowering. But this is a lady that had a basal cell carcinoma, that had a skin graft that area, was sent to me by the doctor who did it and said, I wanted to transplant this. This is after a single transplant session for her, and you can see an incredible result. I went on and did one more session because you want even more density, but I think with one session, she can at least go around, not have to wear a wig, wear a hat to feel comfortable, and I think this is a life-changing thing. I'll tell you another story of a gentleman that had to wear a hat. He had really bad plugs, and he felt like he could not go to church anymore because he thought that it would not be right for wearing a hat in church. I did a transplant for him, and he said now he can go around not wearing a hat. So we don't think about the power of what a transplant can do for someone, and this is a great example of the power of a transplant for someone that has a deformity.